The last video I posted was about my journey from Lagos to Araromi in Ondo State, which took about 35 to 40 minutes following the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road. The video stirred up reactions from viewers. Some are still doubting the existence of the Coastal Road project. Some people never believe that one can travel from Lagos State to Ondo State within 35 to 40 minutes. And majority are not aware that Ogun State has a beachfront. So here is another video to establish the fact that Ogun State has a beach along the coastline. I visited the Igboshore beach again. So this is Igboshore beach. You can see Igboshore beach in Ogun State. Igboshore beach in Ogun State. So this side you are seeing is from Lagos State. If you are coming from Lagos, like Lakampine, Tropicana, that side, Lakampine side, you are coming from Lagos Atlantic, this is the side. You are coming like this. But right now, I'm in Igboshore. This place is Ogun State territory. And if I'm going like this, down like that, in 10 minutes time, I will arrive at Araromi in Ondo State. So everything's along the coastline. From here, from Lagos, this is Lagos side. Coming from Lagos, this is Ogun State. Then down is Araromi in Ondo State. And from Ondo State, you know now, to Delta States, Port Harcourt, River State, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, and Calabar. So it's just like this. It's just this coastline down to Calabar. So presently now we are at Igboshore Bridge in Ogun State Waterside Local Government. Thank you. So those that are doubting that Ogun State does not have beach, Ogun State does not have beach, this is Igboshore Bridge. This is Igboshore Bridge in Ogun State. There is it. There is it. A beautiful beach. So down the coastline is Araromi in Ondo State, Ilaje local government. I will show you. This is the area view of Igboshore Beach. You can get to Igboshore from Polu through the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road to Odeomi. Everything should be around 20 to 25 minutes with a bike. Before the beach, you can see the beautiful landscape of Igboshore. You can connect this place through Odeomi. For those interested in landed property, this is another opportunity. Igboshore is a place you should consider for investment. This is one of the benefits of having the coastal highway. There will be expansion of communities and development of new towns.
Thereafter, I followed this route down to Araromi in Ondo State.
So now this is Araromi Beach in Ondo State, Ilaje local government. Araromi. This is Araromi Beach. As I said, this other side is all the way from Lagos to Ogun State. Now we are at Araromi. So from the Igbosere to Agoshif and Wire down to Araromi here. So it's not only Ogun State that has, not only Ondo State that has beach. So it has to be. It's not only Ogun State, Ondo State that has beach, but from all the way from Igbosere Beach down like this to the bike took us through the coastline from Igbosere down to Igbosere in Ogun State down to Araromi here. So going straight down, you know, it's Igokoda to Kupa side, the Delta State, River State, and Bayelsa to Akwa Ibom to Calabar, straight like that. That's how the coastline looks like.
We journeyed back to Lagos from Araromi, following the coastline. We did not stop at Igbosere again. We passed Igbosere Beach to Odeomi to Aboreji, which is the border town of Lagos before Ogun State. We got back to the coastal road from Aboreji to Folu, where the journey started. That will be all for now. Thank you